I love the adventures our family takes, and we are constantly finding new and exciting places to show the kids. This week is no different, and we're heading out to a remote spot. Tiffany actually likes doing the driving while I film. She gets a kick out of me almost having a heart attack. She's actually a really good driver, although I would never tell her that. So what are we doing today, Dave?
Going to find a cabin on a lake.
It's a secret cabin on a lake.
Yeah, it's a secret cabin on a secret lake that's down a path. I don't know. We're going to go on an adventure to a place that we don't know about, so.
Sounds like fun.
Yeah. Beats sitting in the house. That's why we do this.
Perfect. What do you think of the gas shortages right now on Vancouver Island?
To be honest, we did it to ourselves, but I got a diesel truck that can 1,200 kilometers to a tank, so I don't really care.
Yeah, they do get pretty good gas mileage, eh?
Yeah, like our trucks, yeah. I mean, anybody thinking about buying a ZR2, the 2.8 Duramax is the only way to go.
It is, yeah. I agree. It's been really, really good.
Yeah.
Driving these gravel Forest Service roads is quite the experience, but they grant us access to the remote places that we enjoy visiting. For the most part, the roads are easy and have not been a problem for us. Vancouver Island has thousands of kilometers of logging roads to explore, and the places to visit for one reason or another are endless. It would take a lifetime to explore them all, so we always try and pick a spot that has something interesting to offer. This is the first time Tiffany has driven anything remotely close to off-road, and the video doesn't do this overgrown spur road any justice. The slide alders drape across the road like intertwined fingers, and we push on through some tight terrain. We are here in winter and the leaves have all fallen from the trees. This whole place would be a green tunnel in the summer months, and we will need to return here to check it out. Exploring in the wet and snowy season is also a lot of fun, but it takes extra planning and gear if we wanted to camp in these conditions. The roads back here are only a truck wide, and we were lucky no one was coming the other way while we were heading up. There would have been no room to pull over or turn around. There were many small stream crossings along the way, and this small one was Tiffany's first. Waterfalls are everywhere, and it is not uncommon to pass dozens along any stretch of the road around here.
Guide her through, Dave.
If you're having fun watching our adventures so far, please consider subscribing to the channel to not miss anything. Likes are free, and we try to respond to every comment, so drop us one below. I was driving for this slightly larger crossing that Dave takes head-on in neutral. Although he scratched and dented his truck, he still had a fantastic time, and that's why we got these rigs in the first place anyway.
I'm feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna break.
The kids loved finding snow at the cabin and had a great time playing in it. Their smiles and laughter makes our world go round.
I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday, but I just want to celebrate. I just want to celebrate.
The road was worth it. The cabin was beautiful and the lake was just as good.
Good day, good life. I just want to celebrate all night.
It's places like these that draw us on our adventures, and having good friends along for the ride makes it a ton of fun.
There's magic coursing throughout my veins. I don't want it to stop. I feel invincible in every way. I'ma give it all I got.
These moments are why we do this. The memories created will stick with us forever, and the challenges in getting to these places will only make us stronger as a family.
I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate.
Unfortunately, due to a wrong turn, we needed to leave before dark and head out of the forest, cutting our time here short. We will definitely be back to stay overnight and have a nice toasty fire to share some laughs and stories around.
There's nothing like feeling alive. There's nothing like feeling alive. I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate. 'Cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate.
So we took the trucks up and we actually found the secret cabin that we were looking for when we started our adventure today. And it took a long time because we actually went up the wrong road and then had to turn around and come back down and find the proper road to take. And we actually finally found it. It's a pretty unique spot. The trail's a little bit washed out in spots.
Yeah, I think the part that surprised me is it just shows you the different atmospheres, I guess, we can get to, where we went from, you know, a rainy kind of warm day at home to, you know, within an hour and a half, we're in 7 or 8 inches of snow. You know, it's always nice to see like the diversity of what you can find on the island.
Yeah, I agree 100%. And like, you know, a lot of the places here are gated off and you can't access them. In this particular place you can, and it's got some areas that we can get back into the backcountry, and it's a pretty nice area. So yeah, it just goes to show, like, even though this area was logged, it's still a beautiful place to go, and the old logging roads are actually pretty decent. The trucks did really well, so I'm happy about that.
I would say probably the biggest trial and test that we put the trucks through, and
we didn't even film a lot of the obstacles that we actually went through, because we're trying to get out of here before it gets dark. That's the issue.
Where we went through with like front and rear lockers, and in some terrain where we had to guide each other up, and you know, the trucks had no problem at all. You know, for me, the road that we took by accident, I'd like to explore that more, because that seems like it's going to be another adventure in itself.
Yeah, it definitely will be. Okay, well, we should get out of here because there's other people coming on the road, but we're gonna head out. We are blessed to have such an amazing place to explore as a family. The more I explore the world, the more of it I want to see.
All right, well, we're getting hungry. Should we get going?
Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna go get
Dinner
some food.
time.
Thanks for coming out today, Dave.
Yeah, it was fun. I want to explore more that way next time.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Up the main there that we will not name,
Yeah.
because we got to keep the place secret. But
Oh, Secret Main.
Secret Main. We'll just call it Secret Main. Well, I'm glad you came out today and had fun.
Or you could just, if you want to find out more, just watch more videos.
Yeah,
And we'll make sure to post, like, we'll post the whole way.
There you go. Take your dreams and chase them down with passion. You won't be disappointed in the outcomes. And as always, I wish you were here.